Nature. 1. This is a plant. Plant. This is a plant. This is a plant. 2. Tree. This is a tree. Tree. 3. This is a flower. This is a flower. 4. Leaf. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. Leaf. 5. Roots. These are roots. Roots. 6. Dirt. This is dirt. This is dirt. 7. Rock. This is a rock. This is a rock. Rock. 8. Log. This is a log. Log. 9. Fire. This is fire. Fire. 10. Mountain. This is a mountain. Mountain. 11. Hill. This is a hill. Hill. 12. River. This is a river. River. Okay. Trees are plants. Flowers are plants. Broccoli is a plant. Corn and cucumbers are plants. That's a plant. Cabbage is a plant. Plums are plants. An egg is not a plant. No, it is not a plant. That's a plant. This tree has leaves. The leaves are on the tree. These roots, right here, these roots are on the plant. This is a plant. Plant. This dirt is black. Dirt is black or brown. Dirt. Logs are in the fire. 1 log, 2 log, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lots of logs are in the fire. Rocks are under the fire. Rocks are under the fire. Logs are on the fire. This mountain is big. A hill is little. Mountains are big, but hills are little. This is the river. Here is a mountain. Here is a tree. The tree and the plants. The plants and the tree are beside the river.